first time, thank you so much guys for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And I'm really excited for today's reaction because I'm going to be reacting to a solo artist. Now this solo artist goes by the name IU. I do not know what her name is. She's a female solo artist, and the song that I'm going to be reacting to is 8. A lot of you had requested this song. You guys have told me that this song is this song was produced by Yoongi, and it also features him. He's also there in the song. Like he has rapped in the song. So yes, I'm really excited. This is my first reaction to a K-pop solo artist. This is the first time I'm reacting to a solo artist, so I'm super duper stoked. And yes, without delaying this, guys, we will get into this. All right. And subtitles on. I have to always see if the subtitles are on. Okay. Oh wow, she's beautiful.
So are you happy now? Finally happy now, yeah.
Whoa! Her vocals, man! When she starts only, her vocals are so good. So are you happy now? Ooh, is this a depressing song?
Happy now, yeah. 뭐 그대로야 난 다 잃어버린 것 같아. 모든 게 맘대로 왔다가 인사도 없이 떠나 이대로는 무엇도 사랑하고 싶지 않아.
Oh, okay.
잊을 대로 해줘버린 기억 속을 여행해. 우리는 오렌지 태양 아래.
Whoa! This is a perfect song to play when you're driving. This is a drive song. This is also, I'm feeling with the lyrics that it's a little depressing, but it's also about, finding sort of hope. I'm guessing that. Let me see. Of course, I'll understand when the full song is over. I'm just going to take a trip down memory lane.
기억 속을 여행해. 우리는 오렌지 태양 아래 그림도 없이 함께 춤을 춰. 정해진 이별 따위는 없어. 아름다웠던
Oh, so the memory is beautiful. Huh? Forever young. The drive song.
그래 여긴 섬 서로가 만든 작은 섬
Oh, his rap is animation. Okay. Wait, I want to listen to that transition. How that transition happens.
섬 그래 여긴 섬 서로가 만든 작은 섬 Forever young 영원이란 말은 모래성 작별은 마치 자랑꽃과 같이 그리움과 같이 마주하는 아침
Oh.
서로가 지나 거기서 나서 다시 만나
위로하던 누구의 말 다루고자 한 뼘짜리 추억을 잊는 게 참 쉽지 않아. 시간이 지나도 여전히 날 붙드는 그곳에 우리는 오렌지 태양 아래 그림도 없이 함께 춤을 춰. 정해진 안녕 따위는 없어. 아름다웠던 그 기억에서 만나 서로를 베고 누워 슬프지 않은 이야기를 나눠. 우울한 결말 따위는 없어. 난 영원히 너이 기억에서 만나. Forever young.
Ah. Oh, this is giving me the feeling of How to Train Your Dragon, that movie. This exact visual.
Forever we are.
guesswork for this song, looking at the lyrics and the visuals. Do let me know if I'm correct or wrong. Ooh, she's gorgeous. My first thought, 8. Okay. Produced and featuring Suga of BTS. Yeah, Suga. Now I find it so weird calling him Suga because I'm so used to calling him Yoongi now. But let's talk about this song. Firstly, her vocals are amazing. Amazing. Why is it called 8? That I am a little confused. Is it 8 or are they trying to like do an infinite kind of loop? Are they trying to portray that? But with the visuals, I feel that she is talking, because the first visual is that she goes into that machine kind of thing and she sleeps, and then she talks about memory. What I feel is that she is planning to wipe out her memories. That's what I'm getting the feeling of, because once she wipes out her memories and then she wakes up, she smiles. And this is her talking to her only. When she's saying, oh, when we are together, that memory is so beautiful and all. But I feel she is talking to the older version of herself, because when she's flying, her animation is of a kid. She's a kid at that time. She's young. And then when in the animation she flies past the plane on that lizard dragon of hers, and she looks at her older version looks from the aeroplane. So it's like she's talking to herself only. And the lyrics are a little sad. I got a little bittersweet kind of feeling reading the lyrics. So do let me know if that was the context of the MV. I loved this song. This is a perfect drive song. This is a song which I will play while driving, because it gives me that kind of a feeling that okay, this is something that sort of self-reflecting, and I can play this while driving the car. So yeah guys, that was my reaction to 8 by IU featuring Suga of BTS. I'll call him Yoongi. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Please let me know more songs of her, because I would really like to know a couple of really good solo artists also in K-pop. So please do let me know, except K-pop groups particularly that I'm already reacting to, but I would like to know a couple of solo artists as well. So yeah guys, that was my reaction. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.